Do you ever feel awkward when you meet someone new you want to talk, but your mind goes blank? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many English learners freeze when it's time for small talk. But today, I'll show you 10 easy questions you can ask anyone, anywhere, at school, at work, or when traveling. By the end of this video, you'll never run out of things to say again. Hi everyone, I'm Ben and I help people speak English with confidence and ease that I end this video. We'll learn 10 daily small talk questions that work in any situation. You'll hear the correct pronunciation, see examples, and practice speaking with me. Small talk is important. It helps you sound friendly, natural, and confident in English. So get ready and speak out loud with me. Let's start. Question 1. How's it going? This is one of the most common greetings in English. It's another way to say, how are you? But more casual. Example A. Hey, how's it going? B. Good, thanks. How about you? Don't answer with it's going. That sounds strange. You can say good, pretty good, or not bad. Say it with me. How's it going? Good, thanks. Question 2. What do you do? This means what is your job? You can use it at work, parties, or new places. Example A. What do you do? B. I'm a student / I work in a bank. Never say, what is your work? It sounds unnatural. Repeat after me. What do you do? I'm a teacher. I'm a student. Great job. Question 3. Where are you from? Simple and friendly. You can ask this when meeting someone for the first time. Example A. Where are you from? B. I'm from Mexico. / I'm from Japan. Don't say, where do you come from? To sound more natural. It's okay, but more formal. Where are you from is perfect for daily use. Say it with me. Where are you from? I'm from Brazil. Question 4. What do you like to do for fun? This helps you learn about someone's hobbies or interests. Example A. What do you like to do for fun? B. I like reading / I like playing soccer. You can also ask, what are your hobbies? But for fun sounds more natural and friendly. Say it aloud. What do you like to do for fun? Question 5. Have you been here before? Use this when you meet someone at a cafe, restaurant, or event. Example A. Have you been here before? B. No, it's my first time. It's a great way to start conversation about the place you're in. Repeat. Have you been here before? Yeah, I came last week. Question 6. Do you like this place? Another easy question for new situations. Example uh, Do you like this place? B. Yeah, it's nice. You can also say it's okay or not really. If you don't like it, practice. Do you like this place? Yes, it's great. Question 7. What kind of music do you like? Everyone loves music. It's a perfect topic. Example A. What kind of music do you like? B. I like pop. Slash I love rock music. Don't say, which music do you like? It sounds unnatural. Say, what kind of music do you like? Repeat after me. What kind of music do you like? Question 8. Do you like watching movies? Movies are another easy topic to connect with people. Example A. Do you like watching movies? B. Yes, I love action movies. If you want to continue, ask, what's your favorite movie? Say it together. Do you like watching movies? Question 9. Are you on social media? This one works if you're talking to someone your age or a new friend. Example A. Are you on social media? B. Yeah, I'm on Instagram. Don't ask, give me your Instagram. That's too direct. Start with this question first. Say it. Are you on social media? Question 10. What's your favorite food? Everyone eats, so this is always safe. Example A. What's your favorite food? B. I love pizza. Slash I like sushi. You can ask, why? To keep talking. Say it with me. What's your favorite food? I love pasta. See? Small talk doesn't have to be hard. These 10 questions work anywhere, at school, at work, or even online. Just remember to smile, listen, and give short answers too. Okay, let's test your memory. I'll say a sentence. You say the correct question. Ready? 1. I'm from Canada. What question do you ask? Answer is, where are you from? 2. I'm a student. Answer is, what do you do? 3. I like reading books. Answer is, what do you like to do for fun? 4. Yes, I love jazz. Answer is, what kind of music do you like? 5. No, it's my first time here. Answer is, have you been here before? Well done. You're learning fast. Repeat this video a few times and you'll sound natural in small talk. You did amazing today. Now I want to hear from you. Which question do you use most often? Write it in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and join me every week to keep improving your English, step by step, and smile by smile. Remember, every time you speak English, you get better. So go out, ask questions, and make new friends. See you next time, and keep talking confidently in English.